Balancing equation in acidic medium. This is half reaction method. First, see, you have to remember when you balance the equation these steps. The first step is divide into half reaction. There is divide into two half reaction. There is one is oxidation, another one is the reduction reaction. Then balance the electrons and atoms. The next step is balance the electrons and atom. Then the very important thing, for every extra oxygen, add water to the other side. Then for every extra hydrogen, add an H plus to the other side. Okay, this is the main thing. Then third is add the half reaction before adding balance the electrons to two reaction. Now look at this is example. We will balance the reaction. MnO4 minus Fe2 plus H plus gives Mn2 plus Fe3 plus and H2O. First, divide into two half reaction. Before that, you have to find that is oxidation number of the element. Here, the plus 2 and the plus 2 converts to that is ion having plus 2 and the plus 3 oxidation state. Here, the Mn and this in this side Mn having plus 2 oxidation state. In this side, Mn having plus 7 oxidation state. Okay. Previous class I was teach that how to find the oxidation number. Just go through that, then you can easily understand. So here plus 7 oxidation state, here plus 2 oxidation state, and manganese having plus 2 oxidation and iron having plus 2 and in this side plus 3 oxidation state. Now just find out whether which species undergoes oxidation and which species undergoes reduction. Here this Mn to Mn2 plus Mn7 plus to Mn2 plus, that means this is reduction, and this Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus oxidation. Okay, now write first MnO4 minus, then to Mn2 plus. Here plus 7 to plus 2, right? The oxidation number. So how many electrons are gaining here? 5 electrons. Plus 7 to plus 2, that means the 5 electrons are transferred, so that here gaining of electron is 5. So gaining of electron you have to add in the left hand side, then write the equation. Okay. Now balance the manganese, that is other than oxygen and hydrogen atom. Here manganese only the element, so that manganese one in the left hand side, right hand side also 1. So next is the reaction having hydrogen here. Now write this reaction, that is MnO4 minus H plus 5 electrons gives Mn2 plus. Then see, now you have to balance the oxygen. So oxygen, how many oxygens are in left hand side? 4 oxygens are there. So when you for every extra oxygen add H2O in the opposite side. So that rule you have to follow. So here 4 oxygen, just write it H2O, 4 oxygen, that is why I am adding 4 H2O molecule. Then here only 1 H plus are there. How many H plus are right hand side? 8 H plus. So that just add 8. So 8 H plus. Okay. This is the equation. Just put this is the equation number 1. Then here oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced, and elements also balanced. Next is the oxidation. Oxidation is what? That is Fe2 plus to gives Fe3 plus. That means 1 electron. Okay, loss of 1 electron. Already ion is balanced. Fe is balanced in the both side. So electron is 1. Now here you have to balance the electron. This is suppose the equation 2 means here you have to balance the electron. So balancing the electron, just multiply in the opposite side of the charge. So here 5. So just my equation 2 multiply into 5, and this 1 electron, so just multiply into this 1. So equation number 1 does not change, but the equation number 2 you have to multiply into 5. So that 5 Fe2 plus 5 Fe3 plus then 5 electrons. Okay, now this is the equation number 3. The equation number 1, add equation number 1 and 3 will get the net equation. See, 5 electrons and 5 electrons are cancelled. Then remaining is, you have to write, that is MnO4 minus, then 8H plus, then 5 Fe2 plus gives Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus 4 H2O. Now equation is balanced. Check. Manganese is 1, left hand side, right hand side also 1. Oxygen, then iron 5 Fe, left hand side, right hand side also 5 Fe. Then oxygen 4, here also 4 oxygen. Hydrogen 8 hydrogen, here also 8 hydrogen. So the equation is balanced. Balancing equation in basic medium, that is in oxidation number method. See, these rule you have to remember. First, find the oxidation number and identify increase or decrease into oxidation number. Then second rule is to balance increase or decrease of oxidation number, multiply with suitable number. Then third is balance all atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. Then fourth is add hydroxide OH minus ion which in deficient side, okay, to balance the oxygen atom. Add H2O to balance the hydrogen atom. Which side is deficient, you have to add that side, okay. Now see, the example is CrOH thrice IO3 minus gives I minus and CrO4 2 minus. Okay. First, find out the oxidation number and identify whether increase or decrease into the oxidation number. The first step is you have to write the oxidation number. Here, the chromium having in this side, look at this. First, we'll see here. 4 into 2 minus 8 plus 2, here in this side plus 6. Okay, chromium having plus 6 oxidation state. Here minus 1, so plus 3, because hydroxide is minus 1 into 3 plus 3, sorry, minus 3 opposite charge plus 3. So in this side plus 3, in this side plus 6. Okay, then IO3 minus. See, IO3 minus, here I minus, here minus 1, and here O3 6 minus 1 plus 5. Okay, iodine having plus 5 in this side and opposite side minus 1. Now here oxidation, which is oxidation plus 3 to plus 6. In this piece oxidation, that means oxidation number increased by 3 units. Oxidation number increased by 3 units. Then reduction, plus 5 to minus 1. Okay, plus 5 to minus 1. Here the oxidation number decreased by 6 units. Okay, plus 5 to minus 1 means 6 units. Oxidation number decreased by 6 units. Okay, now write the balance, that is balance all atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So other than oxygen and hydrogen means you have to balance here the chromium and iodine, you have to balance. Here the 6 units, that is 3 units, oxidation number increased by 3 units in chromium, and iodine 6 units. So just 6 by 3 is what? 2. So that 2 into 3 6. So you can write it multiplying the 2, you can balance the equation. So 2 CrOH thrice, then IO3 minus use I minus and CrO4 2 minus. Now here 2 in the left hand side, so just multiply in the right hand side also 2. Now chromium is balanced, so 2 Cr in left hand side, 2 Cr in the right hand side. Then iodine also balanced, 1 iodine in the left hand side, 1 iodine in the right hand side. Remaining you have to check oxygen and the hydrogen. So this is step 2 and the step 1, this is step 2 and the step 3. Here how many oxygens, that is oxygen adding of OH to the right hand side. Okay, if you balance the oxygen, first count number of oxygen. Here 2 into 4 8 oxygen. Okay, 8 oxygen. Here 3 plus 2 5 oxygen. Okay, sorry, 5 sorry 6 plus 3 9 oxygen. Okay, 9 oxygen here, left hand side, right hand side 8 oxygen. So deficient side is which side? Right hand side. So add OH to the right hand side. Just write the equation 2 CrOH thrice IO3 minus gives I minus plus 2 CrO4 2 minus. So adding of OH to the deficient side. So OH to the deficient side means right hand side. So OH minus. Then hydrogen. Now oxygen is balanced. So check. So here 9 oxygen and this side also 8 plus 1 9 oxygen. Then hydrogen you have to balance. The hydrogen 3 5 here only 1. Okay, only 1. 5 hydrogen is in left hand side, right hand side is only 1 hydrogen. So that just adding of that OH molecule, that is that is add on hydrogen hydroxide ion to the right hand side, that is to balance the oxygen. Similarly add on H2O to the right hand side means to balance the hydrogen. So deficient side. So add that's mean you have to add OH minus in the left hand side. So 5 OH minus, that's mean here every water molecules contains what? H plus and OH minus. So that here 5 OH minus are in the left hand side. So add CrOH3 OH thrice IO3 minus plus 5 OH minus gives I minus 2 CrO4 2 minus and OH minus. Okay, OH minus. Then add water molecule. Okay, is it clear? Because in this side 5, first you can write like this. In this side how many hydrogens are there? Sorry, 5 hydrogens. So that, so adding of 5 H2O molecule. So now 10 hydrogen in this side. So that I am writing here 5 OH minus. Now 5 plus 5 10 hydrogen is balanced. Now look at this side. 5 OH minus is there. In left and right hand side 1 OH minus is there. So just strike out 1 minus 1 OH minus, it will become 4 OH minus. Now 2 CrOH thrice IO3 minus plus 4OH minus gives I minus plus 2CrO4 2 minus plus 5H2O. Now check 2Cr in this side is also 2Cr, iodine 1 iodine 1 iodine, oxygen 5 plus 9, in this side also 5 plus 4 9, then hydrogen, look at the hydrogen here, 5 plus 4 9, and here also 6 plus 4 10, here also 10 hydrogen. Now the equation is balanced. So this method is oxidation number method.